Hi you guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. And today I am so excited because I was able to do CVS early activation and I haven't done that in quite some time. So I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into it. If you are new here, make sure you click that red subscribe button, ding that notification bell so you're notified every single time I post a video. So I'm just going to go through everything I picked up, all the coupons I used, the receipt I used. I have a printable breakdown from my in-store video that I posted on Friday, which I'll also leave linked below as well. So my first deal that I did is I did the Irish Spring body wash. So I'm going to share with you guys what CRTs worked for me and what CRTs did not work for me. So the Irish Spring body washes, these are on sale $3.99, and when you buy 3, you're going to get a $5 extra care buck. Now there are $1 off 1 coupons coming in the Smart Source. What else? So I had a few CRTs. So I had a 2 off 6 body wash CRT. I had a $2 off 1 body wash CRT of any body wash. And then I had a 4 off 10 CRT for body wash. So the 4 off 10 CRT that I got did not take off. So I was only able to get $2 off with the CVS CRT. So I ended up paying $8.69, and then I got back $5 in extra care bucks. So that is what I started with. So if I would have been able to use that 4 off 10 CRT, I'm not exactly sure why it didn't work, but it didn't work. So if you guys have that CRT, be careful when using it. Try not to pair it with that 2 off 6 CRT. So yeah, that's what I dealt with the body wash transaction. So my next transaction, I did the L'Oreal Everpure. So they are priced 2 for $15 this week. But my scenario produced the extra care buck because it's still Saturday night. So you're not going to be getting the extra care buck on Sunday when you are seeing this video. But since I got this on Saturday, it produced the extra care buck. So they're priced 2 for $15 or $7.50 each. And then I used a 3 off 1 manufacturer coupon. And then I used a 4 off 15 CRT for L'Oreal Hair Care. And then I tried to use the 3 off 12 CRT for hair care, and it did not take the 3 off 12. And then I rolled the $5 in extra care bucks that I earned from the Irish Spring deal. So I ended up paying $4.16, and then I got a $5 extra care buck back. So I am excited that I picked this up because I'm going to be going blonde in my next hair appointment. So I wanted to make sure I got some purple shampoo. So I am all set for that. So just FYI, if you have the same CRTs I had, you might not be able to stack all of it. So keep that in mind. So the next deal I did was on the Always pads. So this is the 14 count. So these were on sale for $3.99. I had a $1.50 off 1 coupon for any tampons or pads. And then I used a $1 off 1 coupon from the P&G. So I was able to take $2.50 off. So I ended up paying $1.49, which was great. And then I also did the Colgate deal. So the Colgate is priced for $3.99. You get a $2 extra care buck back when you buy 1. I used the $1 off 1 insert coupon. Everything is in the printable breakdown for reference. And then my mom got this like CVS mailer coupon sent to her, and I thought it was going to be a CVS coupon and I was going to be able to stack it, but I was not able to stack the $1 off 1 Colgate for whatever reason. It said it was a CVS coupon. So that kicked out for me, so I wasn't able to do that. And then I was paying with that $5 extra care buck, so I wanted to make sure that I utilized everything in my extra care buck. So I picked up 2 Twix. No, these are not for me. They were on sale for 88 cents. So I paid with the $5 extra care buck, the $1.50 off 1 CRT for feminine care, and then the $1 off 1 coupon for the pads and $1 off 1 for the Colgate mouthwash. So I paid $1.74 and then $2 in extra care bucks printed for me. So then the next deal I did was on the Joah Cosmetics. So they are spend 10, get $7. So I picked up one of the matte lipsticks. So this is in the Ibotta matte liquid lipstick. This was priced for $6.99. And then I picked up the I'm Your Jelly Bay matte gel lipstick. So I picked this up for $5.99. I was at $12.92. I used a 2 off 12 CRT for cosmetic. Paid with a $2 extra care buck I earned from the Colgate. Paid $9.67 with tax, and then I got back $7 in extra care bucks. So final cost was $2.67 for the both of these lippies, which I'm excited to try out. This one's kind of like a watermelon color. This is in the shade Sweet Tooth, and then the other one I got is in the shade Bow. So I'm excited to try these out. So this is my CVS haul for the week. So I am so excited I was able to get out for early activation so I can post these videos for you guys earlier, which is my goal, because I want to let you guys know like what CRTs worked for me, what didn't, if I had any problems. So now that I know that my store across the street does early activation, your girl's going to be in there on Saturday night. That's going to be my new Saturday night thing, is going to CVS. So I used to do that all the time in Virginia because I didn't have as many friends in Virginia. I didn't have anything to do in Virginia, so I went to CVS all the time. So I hope you guys have a fantastic Sunday with whatever you are doing. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And I have a get ready with me with some of the new things that you might be seeing in the Physicians Formula line. So I'll leave that video linked below if you guys want to check it out. I also have a first impression of the Joah cosmetics if you guys want to take a look at that video as well. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.